Just wanted to do a quick example of the Excel fill handle. If I multiply B2 by C2, so if I do equals B2 times C2, and I want to copy that down through the range, all I have to do is hold the shift key. And while I'm holding the shift key, if I move my mouse over the lower right hand corner of the cell, it becomes sort of a double parallel line with two arrows. By default, it just is one cross, like a black cross. Now, if I hold down shift, you see how it becomes double. Now, if I double click at this point, it fills everything down, basically copies this cell all the way down through the range. The only thing that has to be in place for this to work is that this data on the left has to be all touching. It has to be all together. If there's a space in the data to the left here, for this example, if I deleted this row and I kind of move this information down, now if I wanted to fill this, it would just fill to the data that's touching. So if I double click again with my shift and then I double click, it only goes down to this portion. I'd have to double click again down here to get it to go. But you can see the usefulness in that if you had 1,000 records and you wanted to copy down a function real quick, just shift and double click, copies everything down through 1,000 records in just a split second.